Congratulations on your 1-year anniversary. The best is yet to come. With the arrival of your anniversary, we should celebrate. Let's celebrate by talking about a couple of amazing products. You were recently introduced to DDR Prime soft gels, which contain a powerful proprietary blend of essential oils that support cellular health. Today, I want to introduce to you the perfect companion product for DDR Prime soft gels, Alpha CRS Plus, our incredible cellular vitality complex. I am thrilled that you have these two companion products perfectly complementary to one another to support your cellular health. Now, you must know that when a scientist is invited to speak, you are going to get a healthy dose of science. But don't worry, I will be sure to explain what it means for everyone. So, let's talk about cellular health. Why is it so important? And how do Alpha CRS and DDR Prime contribute to your cellular health? To help answer this question, I need to provide some context. And for that, I want to lay out a roadmap. The roadmap is this. Cells are positioned in the middle. If we go backward, we know that cells are made up of proteins, which are made from DNA, which is made from biomolecular building blocks. Looking forward from cells, we have tissues, organ systems, and the whole organism. That's you. Cells are positioned in this diagram right in the middle, which is where they belong. If we go backward, we start to look at the building blocks of our cells. If we go forward, we are looking at the product of a collection of cells. Both directions are important, and they center around our cells. Let's dive in deeper. When we talk about cellular health, we are referring to both the protection of our cells as well as the efficient function of our cells. In our everyday lives, we cannot escape being exposed to and even generating within ourselves various compounds that can damage our cells. From the outside of our bodies, we are routinely exposed to environmental pollutants, physiological toxins, and ultraviolet light. Left unaddressed, these external assaults can result in the generation and propagation of free radicals, or reactive oxygen species, that can cause damage to our DNA, the protective telomeres of our chromosomes that support healthy aging, the organelles within our cells, and numerous proteins and enzymes that allow us to live and thrive each day. However, we also face a battle from within to scavenge the free radicals that are generated inside our body's cells as a result of normal metabolic processes involved in the digestion of food, the replication of cells, normal exercise, and the generation of cellular energy, or ATP. We'll come back to ATP later, but let's first focus on free radicals. Free radicals are simply molecules with unpaired electrons. The significance of free radicals is that they are highly reactive and can cause damage to DNA, enzymes, proteins, and organelles within the cell, leading to further troubles outside the cell, and eventually diminished health and reduced health span. When we fail to adequately quench the free radicals in our cells, we experience oxidative stress. Oxidative stress diminishes our cellular health, which can contribute to various disease states, aging, and a poorer quality of life. You can begin to understand the importance of adequately addressing reactive oxygen species to maintain our health and wellness. This is a perfect segue to the introduction of Alpha CRS Plus. Alpha CRS is a proprietary combination of high-quality, standardized botanical extracts that do a remarkable job of scavenging free radicals to reduce oxidative stress and address the genesis of inflammation. When Alpha CRS does its job, we feel better, look better, think better, and have more vitality. I want to explain a little more about how this happens by highlighting the amazing ingredients in this product. This product is one of our most complex and comprehensive products. So take a deep breath, while we review each of the powerful ingredients in this dietary supplement capsule. I'll begin with the components of our cellular longevity blend, and then talk about the ingredients in the cellular energy blend. Alpha CRS contains a standardized extract of Boswellia serrata to deliver boswellic acids, particularly 3-acetyl-11-keto beta-boswellic acid, a pentacyclic triterpene. This boswellic acid works to reduce and prevent inflammation by inhibiting leukotriene formation. Leukotrienes are a type of eicosanoid that mediates inflammation via the 5-lipoxygenase pathway. Next, we have Scutellaria bicalensis, commonly known as skullcap. This flowering plant has been traditionally used for centuries in both Chinese and Eastern naturopathy. The flavonoid bicalin that comes from skullcap has been studied for its benefit relating to hydrogen peroxide-induced oxidative stress disease. Polygonum cuspidatum is also known as Asian knotweed. This particular plant provides the well-known bioactive compound resveratrol. Resveratrol demonstrates therapeutic benefit as both a cardio and neuroprotective compound. Research indicates that the phenolic compound resveratrol exhibits both endogenous antioxidant enzyme activity as well as epigenetic regulation of the tumor suppressor p53. The green tea extract, Camellia sinensis, is one of the most well-known botanicals used all over the world. This botanical powerhouse delivers polyphenolic catechins, bioactives for the benefit of numerous body systems. The mechanism of action by which these catechins work inside our bodies is primarily through the direct scavenging of free radicals. However, they also have the ability to potentiate endogenous antioxidant enzymes, regulate apoptosis, and reduce inflammation via modulation of nitric oxide synthase isoforms. Ellagic acid comes from pomegranate. It is a natural phenol antioxidant with multiple available functional groups for biochemical reactions. Its role in cellular health is partly due to its function as a broad-spectrum antioxidant with ability to scavenge and neutralize several types of free radicals, including reactive nitrogen species, reactive oxygen species, hydroxyl radicals, peroxyl radicals, nitrogen dioxide radicals, and peroxynitrite. But it doesn't end there. Ellagic acid has also been studied for its influence in helping the body to regulate proper cell cycling, cell lifespan, and cell turnover via apoptosis. Who knew that pomegranate was so powerful? The next player in our lineup comes from pineapple, specifically the pineapple stem. As a thiol endopeptidase, bromelain proteolytically promotes cellular apoptosis and debridement, or cleansing. This enzyme also works to prevent cell surface adhesion proteins that are involved in inflammatory pathways, most prominently the NF-kappa B pathway. Silymarin from milk thistle seed extract is our next key ingredient in the Alpha CRS cellular longevity blend. Silymarin is a well-known compound used the world over to support healthy liver function. As a hepatoprotectant, the flavonolignin silymarin, sometimes called silibin, is the most popular natural compound for the treatment of hepatic diseases. As an antioxidant, it functions by stabilizing biological membranes via reduction of free radicals. It also metabolically stimulates hepatic, or liver, cells to form new proteins. When we speak of cellular health and metabolism, no organ is more critical than the liver. From the digestion and absorption of our food to the cleansing and detoxifying of our blood, the liver performs absolutely vital functions in our overall health. And utilizing the silymarin from milk thistle seed extract in Alpha CRS is one of the best ways to support our liver health. Turmeric, one of the world's most beloved botanicals, delivers curcuminoids to support not only the scavenging of free radicals, but also the interruption of the inflammatory cascade to support healthy inflammatory responses. Because the curcuminoids from turmeric have many downstream cellular targets, these bioactive compounds are sometimes referred to as having polypharmacological impact, meaning they benefit multiple body systems. That's pretty cool. The oligomeric proanthocyanidins from grapeseed extract are high-potency antioxidants with the capacity to reduce oxidative stress, which benefits many body systems. These phenolic compounds benefit the body in helping to avoid a variety of disease states that arise as a result of excessive oxidative damage. Studies indicate that grapeseed proanthocyanidins significantly reduce malondialdehyde, a biological marker of oxidative stress. Furthermore, these same grapeseed compounds also confer anti-inflammatory benefits by inhibiting the formation of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Next up in this amazing blend is the standardized sesame seed extract. This ingredient provides lignans, a distinguished class of phenylpropanoids, which are particularly beneficial in protecting our endothelial cells from oxidative damage. Endothelial cells are found throughout our body as a thin, delicate lining of our blood vessels. Our blood vessels play a critical role in providing vital nutrients and oxygen to all parts of our body. They also function to remove toxins and other waste products from our tissues. You can see why protecting these cells is important and how sesame seed extract helps in this regard. And finally, we arrive at pine bark extract, a unique source of dietary proanthocyanidins, which have particular benefit in protecting the heart. However, it doesn't stop there. In vivo studies have demonstrated numerous health benefits from the consumption of pine bark extract, including heart, joint, brain, urinary, and skin benefits. That was quite the review of cellular longevity ingredients that do so much to support your cell's health and proper function. Did you notice a theme? One of the best ways the ingredients in alpha CRS protect our cells is by scavenging free radicals, both exogenous radicals generated outside the body, as well as endogenous radicals that are produced in our cells as a result of living. And it is about this living process that I want to talk a little more. Maintaining our health requires a lot of work each and every day. In fact, transmembrane proton flux through the mitochondrial ATPase synthase complex occurs at an estimated rate of 3 × 10 to the 21st protons per second. This corresponds to ATP reformed at a rate of 9 × 10 to the 20th molecules per second, or approximately 65 kilograms of ATP recycled per day in a normal resting adult. Think of that. That is more weight in the recycling of ATP than many of you weigh each and every day. That calls for some robust mitochondrial support, and we deliver that in the cellular energy blend of alpha CRS. Healthy mitochondria are your cell's energy factories, powering your ability to breathe, drink, eat, run, perform, work out, and live. These tiny assembly lines live inside your cells and turn food particles into a chemical form of energy called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. ATP is what your cells use to continually recharge and renew themselves. Healthy mitochondria contribute to a variety of health benefits. Let's take a closer look at each of the players in the cellular energy blend to convey one of the uniquely powerful benefits of this cellular health supplement. The first key ingredient in our cellular energy blend is acetyl L-carnitine. This particular ingredient helps facilitate the transport of long-chain fatty acids into the mitochondria so they can be oxidized as a source of fuel to produce cellular energy. Though our bodies are capable of biosynthesizing this compound, we are only able to make about 25% of the L-carnitine that our bodies need. Thus, proper nutrition and quality supplementation are vital. Alpha-lipoic acid is an organosulfur compound that is found in the mitochondria, where it functions as a cofactor for pyruvate dehydrogenase and alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complexes. And complex is the correct word to use to describe these processes. In the mitochondria, as a player in the Krebs cycle, alpha-lipoic acid facilitates both glucose and lipid metabolism. Again, like acetyl-L-carnitine, our bodies can make a small amount of alpha-lipoic acid, but not as much as they need. Hence, the need for good nutrition and quality supplementation. Next, we have the well-known coenzyme Q10, also called ubiquinone. This compound is an electron transporter that works in the mitochondria to generate proton and electrochemical gradients, which are necessary to drive the non-spontaneous or endergonic process of creating the storage form of cellular energy, known as ATP. To support the nearly 2,500 mitochondria in each human muscle cell, the need for CoQ10 is real. Ginkgo biloba delivers flavone glycosides. These flavonoids act to directly scavenge oxidants, primarily hydroxyl radicals, which benefit several cell types. In mitochondria, these reactive compounds are highly protective. Ginkgo biloba works specifically in mitochondria to stimulate the pyruvate malate dependent respiration cycle. At a general level, ginkgo increases stress resistance and longevity and helps sustain healthy cellular function. Quercetin is a bioflavonoid that confers major health benefits. Studies show that circulating quercetin results in increased energy expenditure as a result of better metabolic function. Mechanistically, quercetin works by increasing oxygen consumption in human skeletal monocytes, which may increase the formation of triiodothyronine, a thyroid hormone related to metabolism, body temperature, and heart rate. Even as quercetin is supportive of healthy metabolic function, it also effectively counteracts the oxidative stress that can arise from catecholamines released during exercise. Finally, one of the unique inclusions in this product is a blend of peppermint, ginger, and caraway, which helps to soothe an upset stomach and is a real bonus for this hero product. Now, let's talk about DDR Prime soft gels, the companion product in this cellular health duo. DDR Prime is all about protecting DNA, which is critical to maintaining healthy cellular function. Who doesn't love the convenience and consistency of a soft gel? Taking a soft gel is such an easy way to support a healthy habit. Combining the DDR Prime soft gels with alpha CRS capsules is an excellent way to support your cellular health, which supports your tissue health, which supports your organ health, which improves your overall quality of life. I want to revisit some of the details of the chemistry behind the DDR Prime essential oil blend. In order to do this, I need to lay out which oils are part of this blend. For some of you, this may be a review. For others, it might be brand new. In either case, I'm confident there is some great information here for everyone. The DDR Prime oil blend is a proprietary blend of 8 amazing essential oils, each with unique benefits worth discussing. This blend includes the following oils: frankincense, wild orange, litsea, thyme, clove, summer savory, neuli, and lemongrass. Each of these oils has their own history, their own benefit, and their own chemical constituent profile. you'll notice that each of the oils has a benefit that is highlighted. You may be wondering, how do these oils contribute these particular benefits? The secret is in the chemistry. I want to highlight the primary chemical constituents of each of these oils. I'll go back through the list of oils in DDR prime. Frankincense delivers alpha-pinene. Wild orange is almost entirely limonene. Litsea is also high in limonene and includes myrcene. Thyme is rich in both thymol and paracymene. Thymol is a powerful phenol compound with a unique story I'll come back to. Clove oil mostly supplies eugenol, a powerful antioxidant constituent. Summer savory delivers carvacrol, a phenolic compound with both antioxidant and pro-apoptotic benefits. Neuilly is a great source of eucalyptol, an ether, and lemongrass is rich in citral, an aldehyde. The synergism between the essential oil components of these plants plays an important role in the overall benefit of this unique product. We all understand the concept of synergy, that the whole is greater than the sum of the individual parts. This is certainly the case with DDR prime, and I want to share one specific example of what I mean. I mentioned the chemical functional group from the primary constituent of each oil in this blend. These functional groups are where the biochemistry happens. The alcohols, aldehydes, phenols, ketones, and ethers are what allow these essential oils to directly and indirectly interact with the cells of our bodies. Now, to come back to thyme, a very interesting study was conducted in 2013 measuring the antioxidant capacity of isolated essential oil constituents compared to the whole oil chemistry. The researchers found that when compared to the isolated hydrocarbon fractions, the whole oil composed of all constituent players, all the chemical functional groups, performed dramatically better at protecting against oxidation. This may have surprised the researchers, but it doesn't surprise us. We have long known that nature knows best when arranging the constituents and their respective ratios in these amazing plants and the essential oils they produce. Many more hours could be spent talking about the chemical reactions and the biochemistry behind the constituents and their functional groups, but that's not really the focus here. Instead, I want to touch on what we are delivering in DDR prime and the primary usage, positioning, and benefits you should expect from this unique product. The essential oils of DDR prime support exceptional liver and kidney function to identify, filter, and eliminate toxins. They are, of course, effective at scavenging free radicals, maintaining DNA integrity, and promoting proper cell cycle regulation and healthy cellular turnover. Some of the best things in life come in pairs. In alpha CRS, we have numerous standardized botanicals that are rich in polyphenols, contributing to whole body cellular health. In DDR prime, we have a fantastic collection of the highest quality essential oils that are rich in terpenes, supporting your body's ability to detoxify and maintain your health. The synergies and complementarity of alpha CRS and DDR prime are inescapable. These two products should be used together on a regular basis to help you maintain optimum health. The broad, complete offering of antioxidative, polyphenolic compounds available in these two products is unrivaled. These two products are part of our hero offering, our platform priority products, the first products we prioritize for any market because they are so foundational and beneficial. Now, we've covered a lot of information, and I hope you've been able to learn something new. I hope you have a better understanding of why these products are designed the way they are and contain the ingredients they do. we talked about some of the processes. Please don't forget the benefits. Less pain, more beauty, more energy, better cognitive function, and more vitality. None of us completely avoids exogenous free radicals, and none of us is able to live without generating our own endogenous free radicals. That is why these two products are absolutely vital for each of us to maintain optimum cellular health and vitality. Use these products each day to support optimum health.